Hello students, it's Ms. Zanagar here again, and I am going to walk you through your first assignment on day one, which is to say hello to me and your classmates by using FlipGrid. So step one, we are going to open FlipGrid application either on our Chrome browser, or we're going to download the application to our cell phones using a join code. So the application icon looks like this. And you can just type in the join code, or you can click on this hyperlink and go to the FlipGrid website and log in using your school email and password. If you have any other difficulties, please don't hesitate to reach out through Remind. Remember that your Remind codes are located in your syllabus. So step two, we're going to record ourselves answering 5 prompts on this FlipGrid application. And once we have completed our recording, we will watch the videos of our other classmates once they're posted. And then the final step is to find 2 people that we have something in common with and post a comment to their video. And this can be anything related to school, inside or outside of school. So when we go to the FlipGrid application, you will see 5 prompts. This is the structure that you need to respond to in your video. The first thing, you'll tell us your first and last name. The second thing, you'll tell us some activities that you're involved in school and some outside of school. Share something that you want us to know about you. Tell us why you chose to be in your specific class. So I have 3 sections. You may be in AP, you might be in sculpture or leadership. So be specific to that content. Why did you choose to be in that specific class? And then prompt number 5 is to share what you're looking forward most to this year. So this is what it looks like when you're joining FlipGrid. Remember, you can just join with Microsoft and use your email, or you can just download the app and join with a code. This is what it will look like when you open up the topics. Here's my first post, my first topic. You'll open that up, and here's my prompts again. Just a word of advice, I did write down my responses before I recorded because it helps me to remember what I'm going to say. It also helps me to articulate my words a little bit better when I've written them down. So down here you can see my response. I recommend that you please go and watch this before.
Hello, student.
Actually, you need to go and watch this before you post your own recording, just so that you can get to know me a little bit better. And yeah, that's the whole point, is to kind of get to know each other through this platform. Okay, well, if you guys have any more questions, remember that I do have office hours. You can talk to me in the morning or in the afternoon, and then I have office hours Wednesday morning, and of course you can reach out to me through Remind if you need any more help. One-on-one, you can make an appointment for tutorials, which I have Thursdays, but just jump on. I'm on every single day. A day, B day, first period, 4th period, 5th period, and 8th period. I will be on my Zoom link, and all you have to do is click on this hyperlink to go and talk to me. Just have fun with this, you guys. I will talk to you soon, and I'll see you on FlipGrid.